हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल करंट अफेयर यूएस प्रयागराज। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जीके 20 के प्लस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर करंट अफेयर यूएस प्रयागराज बाय उत्कर्ष शुक्ला। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट से। व्हाट डज नाटो स्टैंड फॉर? आंसर ए, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। क्वेश्चन सेकेंड, वेयर इज द ऑफिशियल होम ऑफ सांता क्लॉज? Answer D, Finland. Question third, which of the following country has given first time voting right to women? Answer C, New Zealand. Question fourth, which of the following country is the populous country? Answer fourth. Answer D, China. Question 5, which country has the highest sex ratio in world? Answer B, Estonia. Question 6, which is the safest country in Asia? Answer C, Japan. Question 7, which of following country has highest per capita income in the world? Answer A, Qatar. Question 8, which is the largest state in India in terms of area? Answer A, Rajasthan. Question 9, which are the following state and UT is also known as French Riviera of the state? Answer B, Puducherry. Question 10, which Indian state is popularly known as God's own country? Answer C, Kerala. Question 11, which of the following Indian state is known for the meeting point of Mongolids and Kausaled? Answer B, Assam. Question 12, which place is known for its lip-licking Panchagrya Acharya? Answer C, Gujarat. Question 13, which of the following Indian state to provide 100% electricity, metal road and potable drinking water to its entire village? Answer B, Haryana. Question 14, which of the following state of India is a treasury of places of pilgrimage and anthropological value? Answer A, Himachal Pradesh. Question 15, Nama Metro rapid transport system is operationalized in which state in India? Answer B, Karnataka. Question 16, what is the pH value of human blood? Answer A, 7.4. Question 17, the latest blood group is? Answer D, AB negative. Question 18, the metal present in the hemoglobin is? Answer C, iron. Question 19, age of fishes was known as? Answer A, Devonian. Question 20, the metal present in the chlorophyll is? Answer D, magnesium. Question 21, the important sugar in honey is? Answer B, fructose. Question 22, the number of chromosomes in the human genus is? Answer C, 46. Question 23, viticulture is related with? Answer A. Grapes. Question 24. Which of the following acid present in vinegar? Answer B. Acetic acid. Question 25. The longest and largest bone in the human body is? Answer D. Femur. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment and share it. धन्यवाद.